They're halfway through. I folded up the metal. Now they've got to be welded. So, but all the alignment is done pretty much. So I've actually got quite a lot to do today. So I'm going to crack on. The development of the day, I'll let you know how I get on. Them ones are done. They're welded up. Now I'll just show you out here. So there, I've just had one little bobble there, but it's not the end of the world. I've just engraved near side seal on the inside, so I know once they've been all painted up, I need to know which one goes where, because they're all slightly individual, if that makes sense. But I'm actually winning. So the next one is this one. So that's now got to be cleaned up, and I'll show you in a sec. Get in there, you know. The old drill bit's getting a bit blunt now. Yeah, I've got to sort out a drill bit now. That's a bit blunt. That's pretty much how it's done now. Near side tunnel. At least I know where it is and what side and what bracket it's for. That's the idea of it. Right, so then they're both cleaned up. Your welds, although I'm not a welder, I'm quite happy with that because I've got decent penetration on it. Right, so that's near side seal. That one goes down there. This one, that's there. So far so good. All the bolts are still lining up, which is obviously a bonus, because you know how these things can sometimes move, as it were. And I ain't got my washers on yet, but I'm not worried about that for a minute. Tight as a drum, they are. Absolutely tight as a drum. I won't video this bit because I'm going to be getting in the way of the camera, but now I'm going to bump my seats in to this hole. I'm just going to go, I've got to clean up the other side over there. Them ones. Clean them up as I've done the others. And when I've got them looking like this, then I'll do the fit.